Hello and welcome, dear students. Here we are with the learning targets for the third week of September, that begins from 13th of September and spans over 17th of September. So 13th to 17th of September. And this week is full of overloaded with lots of portion from the literature and requires a lot of onus from the students to read the text before coming to the class so that the portion progresses smoothly. Let us begin with the topic that is from literature, that is glimpses of India. We have already done part 1 and 2, that is the baker from Goa and cook, and we have brought the third part forward to this week, that is tea from Assam by Arup Kumar Datta. The students are expected to read the text before coming to the class and also take down key information before coming to the class so that the class progresses smoothly. The next topic that is to be covered is from the literature, first flight only, that is Madam Rides the Bus. The students may read it for pleasure before coming to the class. The third topic that will be progressing during the same week is the sermon at Banaras. It's a prose from the first flight. Then we have the reading comprehension. The reading comprehension is such that the teacher uploaded informational text is already in place and the students are expected to do the reading comprehension as per their leisure. First flight page, the tale of Custard the Dragon. There is another poem in plan, which is, of course, the students are expected to read it for pleasure before coming to the class. Workbook page 128, that is writing page 128, writing, detailed writing, plans and incidents, experiences and the students' experiences. The students are expected to know the punctuation, sentence structure, transformation and deduce word meanings from the contextual clues. It is from your workbook. And workbook unit 6 to be completed. In spellings, vocabulary parade, the students are expected to do their own independent work as and when they come across the difficult words or vocabulary. The students are expected to take down those words, learn the meanings, learn the spelling, writing, descriptive writing, paragraph writing, writing about a person, place, event, diary entry, letter writing. The students are expected to recap all these writings already done so that as and when the students are asked to write, the students should be able to recall the format. Asset based grammar concepts, as and when we come across, we will definitely be doing that. We are already begun with the conquer, that is subject verb agreement, that was planned for this week, but we have already done quite a few rules and we will progress with the rules during the week. Determiner is in plan and it is already uploaded. The students are expected to go through it before coming to the class. In literature, the necklace, this is a short story. The students are expected to know the plot, character sketch, the perspective of the characters, the key characters, and the students' own personal perspective, which can be written with I think, I feel and I believe. And this another supplementary reader's short story. Students are expected to read the story. It is an interesting story by O. Henry, The Last Leaf, and the students are expected to record the key information in their notebook. Again, the plot, character sketch and perspective of the character, personal perspective, I think, I feel and I believe, to be recorded and written before coming to the class. The students will we will be able to delve deeper into extrapolatory questions when the students come read the textbook and the short story before coming to the class. Asset based analysis based characters, situation analysis, characters and analyzing the characters, situation and understand the organization and the context of the passage. This is one of the few of the objectives of asset, and students are expected to delve deeper into character analysis, and it can be done only when the students read the text before coming to the class. Workbook unit number 7 to be completed, and the project reflections on pandemic, which is already in progress. Students are expected to record at least one or two questions from the project given. Let us proceed to the subtopics. What is actually in focus? We need to develop our area of comprehension pertaining to the literature, question and answers, and the passages which are already in plan will be based on literature. 2 reading passages, informational texts have already been uploaded. Students are expected, grade 10 students learn beyond the classroom hours, so students are expected to read the informational text and attempt the questions for self practice. And then proceeding to the literature, comprehending the question and answers, students are expected again to read and respond to the question answers during the week and discuss the question answers in the class. Pertaining to the vocabulary and writing, synonyms and antonyms, students are expected to refer the Robert's thesaurus and record the vocabulary well in advance, so that when the students receive the unseen questions and indulge in writing as per the context, the students should have the required vocabulary in place. Essay writing or long writing, it depends on the kind of writing format that is selected. During the week, students are expected to recall all the writing formats listed during this week. At least the formats should be revised. The context will be discussed and planned during the week. Reading comprehension using inferences and contextual clues, the students are able to use the strategies of inferences and looking for contextual clues, that is especially vocabulary related to contextual clues. Vocabulary parade has already been discussed, as and when the students read the short stories for pleasure or the poem for pleasure, the students should record the new words that they come across. Moving on to the cross curricular links, the students are expected to delve deeper and reason out. Most probably each and every topic may not relate to science, but the aspect of science is that reasoning. The students should use their skills of reasoning and inquiry and delve into deeper than the surface and main idea of the context. And as a part of the T from Assam, it is related to social studies. The students are expected to plot Assam on the map of India and identify the areas with tea states or where tea is grown. And if the students can make out that the learning targets or the objectives remain the same during the week, and the learning target or the skill tracker that the students need to prepare for this week are the similar skills that the students have been doing in the past 2 weeks. So you need to use the new context and practice the skills given over here. Identify the main idea and details, analyze the text and comment, build an argument and support with details, develop a perspective and debate on a topic, develop the character with an aspect and support it with details from the text. I hope these guidelines are quite helpful for the students. Students are expected to read the text. I repeat that once again. If the students are coming prepared to the class, we can delve into deeper detail and reach the target standards of the CBSE. I hope this will be quite helpful for the students. Those who are new or those students who are new on the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you receive the notification when I upload the next video. And students are also expected to click on like so that this gets added to their auto-generated like list. The students can refer this near test and examination and develop and practice whatever is expected of them. Thank you very much for your precious time.